Welcome to the most thrilling background removal saga you've ever witnessed in Photoshop. I'm Howard Pinsky, your guide through this thrilling journey of pixels and magic wands. Today, we're going to liberate a cat from its drab background and place it into a scene that's truly worth its majesty. First, we gently persuade Photoshop to recognize our feline overlord. And to do that, we'll use the Object Selection tool. Remember, it's more of a negotiation than a command. What does that mean? Next, we'll hop into Select and Mask and refine our edges. And as we do, let's whisper sweet nothings to them. Good edges are happy edges. What is this, a Bob Ross video? And voila! The background vanishes like my motivation on Mondays. Let's transport our cat to a space odyssey. I'll select a photo that I have lying around on my computer, drag it into Photoshop, and then move it behind our trusty cat. And that's how you perform a background-ectomy in Photoshop. What is a background-ectomy? Easy, right? Just like baking a cake. If the cake was a cat and the oven was Photoshop. That was certainly something. I think I'll continue writing my own Photoshop tutorials from here on out. Unless you'd like to see more of this, definitely let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all next time.